Hello, English learners. Welcome to today's exciting lesson. Today, we're diving deep into a really fun and popular English idiom, catch the travel bug. Have you ever suddenly felt that strong, irresistible urge to pack your bags immediately and go see the beautiful world around you, exploring new places far away? That's precisely what we call catching the travel bug, and it's something that happens to so many people after a little spark of adventure. Let me share a funny story with you. My good friend Sarah said she had caught the travel bug right before she went to visit the zoo. But her coworker looked puzzled and asked, "Wait a minute, is there really a special kind of bug out there that makes you want to travel all over the place?" It was such a hilarious mix-up that made everyone laugh. So, to clearly explain, catch the travel bug means to suddenly develop a very strong enthusiasm and a deep desire for traveling, usually after having one positive experience that sparks it all. It's just like catching a friendly virus that fills you with a newfound passion for exploring new and exciting places, meeting different cultures, and discovering the wonders of the world. This interesting phrase most likely first emerged in the early 20th century, when traveling started to become much more accessible to everyday people through better trains, ships, and roads. The clever bug part suggests that this desire to travel spreads like a virus. It infects you in an unexpected way, making you itch to get out and explore right away. For a great real-life example, think about Lisa. After she finished her wonderful study abroad program in beautiful Spain, she suddenly caught the travel bug badly. From that moment on, she started planning trips every single chance she got, and her whole perspective on life and her daily lifestyle changed completely for the better, full of adventure. Now, here are some helpful example sentences to see how it's used in everyday talk. Listen carefully. Ever since he went on that amazing Europe tour, he's had the travel bug so strong, and now he just can't stop planning and dreaming about his next big trip. Another good one. My father is working hard and saving money carefully to finally satisfy his travel bug by going on a fantastic all-India trip. And finally, once you truly catch the travel bug, believe me, it will be very difficult indeed to stay in one place for a long time. You'll always want to be moving and exploring. To help you remember, catch the travel bug easily forever. Just think of a cute little actual bug that bites you gently and then makes you feel so restless that you want to move around a lot and go everywhere. Yes, that's exactly the fun feeling of having the travel bug inside you, pushing you to adventure. One interesting fun fact is that the term travel bug really shows a big transformation in a person's lifestyle and their entire perspective on life. You see, traveling is much more physically demanding and active compared to the usual humdrum routine of everyday life back home. It gets your body and mind moving in exciting new ways. Another great benefit is that traveling truly opens your mind wide to all the wonderful cultural diversity and brand new experiences out there. This makes you much more adaptable, flexible, and deeply appreciative of all the different ways of life that people around the world enjoy every day. There are some related sayings that mean almost the same thing. For example, wanderlust, which describes a very strong and powerful desire to travel and explore. Also, itchy feet, meaning you have that restless feeling inside and a real urge to move or travel somewhere new. And sometimes, people simply say, get bitten by the travel bug, which is very similar. Be careful of a common mistake learners make. Don't use travel bug to just mean traveling in general. Remember, it's specifically about that intense desire to travel, not just the act itself. Also, avoid saying something like, "I've got a travel bug," because that sounds like you have a real insect. Stick to, "I've caught the travel bug" instead. Let's have some fun with a quick quiz to test what you've learned so far. Here's the first question. What does catch the travel bug really mean? A. To dislike traveling and want to stay home. B. To develop a strong desire to travel and explore. C. To catch a real illness or sickness while you're traveling. Great job! The correct answer is B, of course. Now, for the second question, which of these is a good synonym or word that means the same for catch the travel bug? A. Homesickness, missing home. B. Itchy feet, that restless urge. C. Boredom, feeling uninterested. Yes, the correct answer is B again. Itchy feet is a perfect synonym for it. So, whether you're already out there planning your next big adventure or just sitting at home dreaming about distant places, always remember that it's never too late at all to catch the travel bug and start your journey. To wrap up our lesson, please share your own travel dreams right in the comments below. Tell us, what's one amazing place you'd absolutely love to visit someday, and why does it excite you so much? We'd really love to hear all your stories and thoughts.